All right, I'm now going to be opening up the 1981 Topps football. It was like Tom Myers, Jim Hart, some guy named John Sawyer. We got Mike something, Danny White, and that's a 49ers checklist. So the big card in this one is going to be Joe Montana. And then you got Kellen Winslow is in there as another rookie card. And let's see here. I bought this like last year on eBay. I forget how much I paid. I'm sure it was over $100, maybe $150. So let's see here. And you get 48 cards. So that's about like what, 4 packs, 4 regular packs. Of course, without no gum or no wax either. So there's John Sawyer, Charlie Johnson, Ray Worthing, Willie Miller, the Dolphins team card, Pete Johnson, Falcons team card, Ken Green, Jim Smith, Frank Lewis, Burgess Owens, okay. And there's a Rams, Ray Guy, Doug Williams, Ahmad Rashad, Ray Hamilton, and like there's the 49ers one. Let's see here. All right, so now is the second back to Tom Myers, Art Shell, got Ricky Bell, Lynn Kane, Tim Mazzetti, Vern Den Herder, Riley Odoms, Larry Swider, Louis Culture, Dewey Salmon, Sidney Thornton, got John Dutton, Charlie Young, well, there's another 49ers one, Randy Grossman, Delvin Williams, Steve Fuller, and Mike Brady. So far nobody say really big. Yeah, let's see here. Like that there. Open it up. All right, so the last one. So we got Jim Hart, Jack Ham, Jim Zorn, Dwight Clark, that's the other guy that had the catch that beat, I think it was Dallas, to go to the Super Bowl, play Cincinnati. Wilbert Montgomery, Rick Kane, Joe Ferguson, Herman Weaver, Andy Johnson, George Cumby, John Capoletti, Wesley Walker, Dave Logan. Yeah, so Marvin Powell, Kenny Keene, and then Danny White. So I'm not too sure what I'd say who's the best one out of there. Rashad and Doug Williams. It's a third here. Walker. Yeah. Letty played a bit. Well, not too much really to brag about on that one. That'd be like a second year, Dwight Clark. So anyhow, that'd be it. See ya whenever.